friends, we are at Singwetsi Red Rock viewpoint, and today morning when we came it was bone dry, but now at 4 p.m. we have come back and we are seeing that how much water is flowing through Red Rock into the Singwetsi river. Just have a look. Clearly the floodgate has been opened somewhere, and unbelievably we are seeing a massive flow of water through Red Rock, which we saw bone dry in the morning. And one person who were present half an hour before us here said he saw a hippo coming down rolling through the red rocks with the flow of water. Can you believe it? From bone dry in the morning, flooding with flow in the afternoon.